Armed robbery suspect confesses to several robberies in Bradenton. Police arresting John Ramos over the weekend. Detectives say he confessed to robbing the Quick Stop convenience store in Bradenton, as well as two other Manatee County robberies. Deputies say Ramos entered the store on 26th Avenue West Saturday night, where he held a clerk at gunpoint and took some cash. Details of the other two robberies have not been released yet, and the investigation is ongoing. After 4 years of operation, a Lakewood Ranch area gun club and shooting range is shutting down. The Bradenton Herald reporting the Ancient Oak Gun Club will close at the end of this month. The property will reportedly be used for agricultural uses until future development plans are finalized. The gun range recently hosted the Florida State Sporting Clays Championship. We'll have more on the story coming up in our evening newscast. ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joins us now with a look at the day on Wall Street so far, and it's a very strong start to a new week on Wall Street. Richard?
Scott, you're absolutely right. It doesn't get too much better. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 60 points when the opening bell rang this morning, up well over 100 points at the high of the day, and intraday set an all-time high. And oh, by the way, the NASDAQ, which is certainly heavy with tech stocks, up more than 1%. So pretty darn good start. Let's take a look at the numbers, and impressive they are. There you see the Dow still up by 92 points, more than 0.4% at 21,476.20. That on volume of 389 million shares. The NASDAQ, the clear leader of the day, up more than 1.1%, almost 69 points at 6,220.68. That on volume of 644 million shares. The S&P, just fine, thank you, up 0.6%, almost 15 points at 2,447.91. Well, you might recall that on Friday there was a big deal announced, a very big deal. Amazon agreeing to buy Whole Foods for $14 billion. But hold off. Is it done deal? The stock is being bought by Amazon at $42 a share, but the stock of Whole Foods is currently trading above $43 a share. So what does that mean? That means that there are investors out there who believe that Amazon will either up the ante or perhaps another buyer will show up. Amazon stock hit an all-time high today intraday. It came back from that number, but you're looking at two stocks selling at all-time highs, and you're looking at Whole Foods selling above its bid price. Scott, that generally means there may be even more movement ahead.
Okay, we'll watch for it. Richard, thank you so much for the update.
You are welcome. See you at 5.
Okay, look forward to it. A refreshing new financial report this afternoon about the impact of the arts and theater on the Suncoast. According to a report from the nonprofit Arts and Economic Prosperity, Sarasota County's arts and cultural organizations contributed about $295 million to the local economy in the year 2015. That's up from $180 million 5 years ago. The increase shows that more and more people are buying tickets to see shows, plays, and operas in the area. Arts-related jobs have also increased. Manatee County saw an economic impact of its arts-related events going from roughly $29 million to $47 million.